So, good morning. It's me, I'm out and about with good old Vicky. Me and Vicky, we've been partners now for over 10 years. It's now the end of 2025 and in 2015 and we're still going strong. Just having a quick trip up the road to go and meet up with the other two guys this morning, Dave and Kieran. Now we're going to have a little bit of a breakfast run. It's sort of just gone Christmas, so we're heading into the new year, so we're having a little bit of a meet up. Well, our work's a little bit quiet for us. Let's go and have a little ride out. Here she is, Old Faithful. Still getting out there, though the weather's a bit grubby. Needs a bit of TLC. But yeah, we're still going strong, me and the old girl. So I got her in 2015. It's 10 years on and we're still going strong. Testament to the old girl. And there we go. Here comes number one. Morning. You alright? Yep. Easy, tiger.
Easy. Slow it down.
Morning. Alright then, out to Bridge North.
Behind the slow moving traffic.
Well, there's no rush, is there? Out for breakfast.
Ready for a bacon bath.
He's already had a coffee, he has. That's it, just put my heated jacket on, keep me in the chill off.
I've got mine on, not turned off.
Yeah, this Alpine Star, it's not the warmest of coats, I gotta say. It does a job, you know, it's good at what it does, but it's more of a 3-season as opposed to a 4-season setup. While my rucker stuff's being repaired. Yeah. We've had a good finish over to the year, really.
Oh yeah?
Mind the gravel in the middle. It ain't been a bad finish to the year. Triumph all fixed up.
Yeah, the panels on. Weirdly, the spotlights stopped working. Packed up. But that was most definitely very close.
Well, I'd rather have one of them than anything any worse.
Oh yeah.
all the Kawasaki Versys lined up.
Yep.
Nice bit of brekkie there. Poolehall calf. How nice. We'll see how this camera's work today. See if I've got to buy a new one or not before I go away. There he goes on his merry way.
You should hit about 110.
I'll lift my visor up, listen for the exhaust. Oh Dave, it's been a pleasure to get out.
Oh, yes. I'll see you Saturday anyway, 'cause I'm not out.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Have a good one.
I'll see you later. Happy New Year.
And to you, mate. Have a good one. Ta-ra to me. So there you go. That's our little mid-Christmas, New Year little get-together. Run over to Poolehall Fisheries to the cafe there. Rather pleasant. The sandwiches were good. Breakfast was good. The drinks were good, and the prices were good as well. Hope you enjoyed the little videos. If you have, give it the old like and subscribe. Remember, they are just a little bit of fun. Thanks for watching, and as ever, stay safe on your bikes. And remember the name of the game. Keep it upright.